Alright, I figured I'd give you another little update on Hogwarts here. It's coming along quite nicely, I believe. Now, I do see a lot of stringing, but to be honest, as small as this little detail and stuff is in this thing, I'm totally okay with that. Clean up on that should be pretty good, pretty easy. But yeah, it's working. Got those big old tree supports sliding out from the side. But yeah, good bit of stringing. It's okay. All the fun of cleaning it up. I'm just amazed that it actually went this small. Especially with that little bridge there. Not to mention that other one back there in the back. We'll see how it turns out at the end. I'll update you guys later on. Currently, right now, we are at 51 hours. But we're also at 95%. So, it'll be done this evening. I actually really like this one. I'm excited.